Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 1997 Honda Valkyrie Interstate with 42,178 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Lehman Dominator Trike kit, upgraded brake triple clamps, Memphis Shades windshield, steering damper, and a leg track. We have replaced the front and rear tires. The Valkyrie is a muscular cruiser that runs off the Goldwing engine but is more performance focused. Power aside, the Valkyrie is comfortable, making it a dynamic option that stands out in the Metro class. Powered by a 1520cc 6-cylinder engine, the Valkyrie puts 100 horsepower and 96 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it has a 28.7-inch seat height and a dry weight of 681 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.